Among helper verbs, those indicate past tense belong the most basic group. There are different nuances, such as a completed action or the result from such action, a statement based on speaker's experience or a rumor from others, etc. We are looking into 5 words under this group. First, ki indicates what had happened based on the speaker's true experience. Here is an example. 六条渡りの御忍びありきの頃. Briefly in modern Japanese, 六条あたりの家に人の目を盗んで訪ねていた頃. Ki follows the continuative form, and in this example, is in its predicative form to end a clause. Katie indicates a past action that the speaker learned from others. Here's an example. 糸はしたなくてありければ非常に可愛らしかったので. Katie follows the continuative form, and in this example, it is in its perfective form to connect to ba. Next, つ indicates that action has completed. このほどのこと、くだくだしければ、例の漏らしつ。その前後のことは、細かくあったので、例のように省略した。つ follows a continuative form, and here it is in its predicative form to end a sentence. ぬ indicates that action has completed and the result is obvious. Example from かげろう日記. 杉西年、月頃のこともおぼつかなかりければ、済んでしまった年月のことなど、いずれもおぼろげになったので。ぬ follows the continuative form, and here it is in its continuative form to connect to the helper word ki in its attributive form, し. Last, たり indicates that action has completed and its consequence continues. 久しくとどまりたる試しなし。長らく元のところにとどまったようなことはない。Here, たる connected to the continuative form of とどまる in its attributive form to work with the noun れ。石を取りで打ちたれば。石を取って投げたので。たれ the perfective form of たり follows 打ち the continuative form of 打つ. Here as a drill from Kobun Online are helper verbs indicating the past tense. See you at next lecture.